In this video, I'll show you how to access and use SORA 2 without invitation code and from anywhere in the world. So this is quite simple. So as you can see, I have got SORA 2 right here and I can generate any video I want. So to open SORA 2, you need to have VPN because this is only available in US. At the moment, I'm using the NordVPN as you can see, and I'm connected to an US server. So for example, if I turn off my VPN and if I refresh this page, I will see this text right here. SORA is not available in Georgia yet. So I can only use the old SORA. So if you want to use SORA 2, I suggest you to install the VPN, and I personally recommend NordVPN, which is one of the best VPNs. It has got nice 77% discount at the moment, plus 3 extra months for free. So you can use the registration link, which is in the comment section as a pinned comment. You need to click on it, then click Get NordVPN. And right here, you need to choose the plan. Basic plan is enough, but as you can see, there are a few options: 2 yearly plans, 1 yearly plans, and monthly plans. Unfortunately, there are no discounts for monthly plans. So it costs $13 a basic plan for 1 month, and if you get 1 year plans, you will get nice discounts, and you will get more discount if you get 2 year plan. So you just need to create an account on NordVPN, select the plan, make the payment, and after that you can use the browser NordVPN extension or just download the NordVPN into your device. After you will install the NordVPN and log into your account, you need to connect to the US server. Right here is the search bar. You need to write United States. So when you click on United States, you will connect to US server. Then you can go back to SORA and you can refresh the page. Right here in the bottom right corner, you will see Open New SORA. This button, you need to click on this and you will open SORA 2 on your computer. So that's how you can get SORA 2 with using this VPN. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.